Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our Dollar General clearance event visuals part 2. So in this one, we're going to be going over all of the laundry products. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week. We've got a lot going on, a huge penny list, we have a huge glitch list, plus we have all of this clearance event information coming out. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also want to apologize to you all, because I know I told you all at the beginning of the week to make sure that you all check back with my YouTube channel every single day. I would have some videos out for you all talking about this clearance event and going over visuals and coupon matchups and all of those things. Well, unfortunately, on Tuesday, I started feeling really bad, so I'm not quite sure if I just had kind of like a 24-hour stomach bug or what's going on, but I am feeling better today, so I've been trying to get as much work done as I possibly can to get everything caught back up. So no worries, I'm going to work my tail off, and I'm going to get all this information out to you guys, so make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into all of this information. Now, first up, I do want to direct everybody's attention down to the description box and the pinned comment. Both of those are located right underneath this video. The description box is underneath the title. You can push a little arrow and it's going to drop down. You're going to find all kinds of information that I've put in there to share with you all. And then also in the pinned comment, you're going to find some more information. That's where you're going to find any additional notes. You're going to find links to sign up for rebate apps that I use on a daily basis. You're going to find links to websites. You're also going to find links to videos like this one pictured right here on your screen. I put together this video last year, I believe, going over every single thing that you need to know about Dollar General clearance events. In that video, I go over all of the most frequently asked questions. I give you all pro tips, tips and tricks. Everything that you need to know is literally in that video. So if you are new to shopping these Dollar General clearance events, make sure that you go and check out that video. Now, I have already uploaded part 1 of our clearance event visuals, so if you guys missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out, because we have a lot of paper products that are included in this clearance event as well, so that is super exciting. And also, before we take a look at all the laundry products that will be included in this Dollar General clearance event, I do want to ask you all to please watch the video all the way through. If you skip through, it is very likely that you will miss out on some important information, because some things I just can't put on a slide. Some things I just have to explain. So watch the video all the way through, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile in the comments. Now, with our laundry care category, we have all kinds of P&G brands included this time, such as Tide, Gain, Downy, Bounce, Dreft, Ariel. So we are going to have some fantastic deals, but to make these deals even sweeter, I want you guys to go over to pnggoodeveryday.com and sign up for their rewards program. And I do have that linked in the description box down below. Now, there are 2 reasons why I want to make sure that everybody's signed up for P&G Good Everyday Rewards. I do not get anything from you all signing up, so don't worry about that. I just want to make sure that you all get the best deals possible. So, number 1, if you're signed up, y'all can go on there and print off free printable P&G coupons. And number 2, they have the P&G Good Everyday Rewards program, where when you purchase P&G products, you're going to earn points on those P&G products. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt, submit it, you're going to earn points, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Now, P&G isn't on the same level as Fetch Rewards when it comes to redeeming for gift cards, but hey, money is money. Now, I'm going to leave some additional notes about all of this down in the pinned comment below, so make sure that y'all go and check that out. All right, now to make things even better, right now at Dollar General, we still have the P&G spend promotion going on. For when you spend $15 on P&G products, you're going to get back a $5 coupon that will print off on the bottom of your receipt. And you do have to actually spend $15 out of pocket after coupons and discounts have been applied. Now, that promotion does end on Saturday, but the $5 coupon that will print off on the bottom of your receipt, I believe that doesn't expire until next Saturday. So you have another week to use that $5 coupon. But hey, I will go ahead and use it during the clearance event while we have all these awesome deals. Now, speaking of Saturday, don't forget about your 5 off $25 coupon. And we also still have this 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, and it is attaching to all of the Gain products that I'm going to show you all in this video. All right, now that we have all of that information squared away, let's go ahead and look and see what all laundry products are going to be included in this Dollar General clearance event. So first up, we have all of these Gain laundry products, everything from dryer sheets to scent beads to the flings, to the liquid laundry detergent, even powdered laundry detergent. And on some of them, they already have manufacturer digital coupons that you can use that will attach. Now, keep in mind that you can stack a manufacturer coupon with a DG store coupon. So don't forget about that 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon that I showed you all just a few seconds ago. And also, if after all of your coupons come off and you are still spending $15 out of pocket before taxes, you're going to get that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. So that is a huge, huge savings on top of these items already being 50% off. So I think that is fantastic. I am so excited, guys. I am so ready for this clearance event. All right, I'm moving right along. We also have Tide laundry detergent included. We have the Tide Pods and the Tide liquid laundry detergents. Now, unfortunately, none of the digital coupons that we have for Tide products are attaching to these specific ones. But like I said, make sure that you go over to the P&G website and print off those free printable coupons. Now, I will say I do believe that there is like a 48-hour or a 24-hour expiration date after you print them. So don't print off those coupons until like Thursday night if you plan on going Friday. If anybody knows the exact time, whether it's 24 hours or 48 hours, please let me know down in the comment section below. All right, now moving right along, next up we have all of these Bounce dryer sheets, and these are the big boxes. We have the 160 count, the 150 count, the 130 count, and then we have a smaller one with the 20 count. So all of these are really awesome deals. Now we're moving on into the Downy fabric softeners. So we have this big bottle right here. We also have the smaller 51-ounce jug. We do have a coupon that will go right along with that, so you're just paying $1.25. You really can't beat it. Next up, we have these Drift scent beads. These are going to be a hot ticket item because we do have this digital coupon that is attaching. You're going to pay $3.95 for 2, which is amazing. Now we also have these Downy scent beads, the Lush scent and the Fresh scent. But unfortunately, the digital coupon isn't attaching, so I don't know what's up with that. Now, I also have a quick note to make on this item right here. We have the 70-ounce bags of the Ariel powdered laundry detergent. They're going to be $2.70. Ariel is a P&G brand, so if you're doing any kind of spin deals, that item would be included. All right, guys, now I tried to organize this the best way that I knew how. So from the Ariel laundry detergent back all the way to the beginning when we were talking about the P&G deals, all of those items are P&G products. From the Arm & Hammer laundry products and on, all of these items are not P&G products and will not be included in that spin deal. So as you all can see, we have Arm & Hammer, we have All, we have Suavitel, and we do have a digital coupon for this one right here. Makes them $2.75 for a huge box of the dryer sheets. Really awesome deal. And then we also have the liquid fabric softeners. They're just going to be $1.80. I mean, all of these deals are absolutely fantastic. Y'all don't even know how excited I am to get out there first thing Friday morning and see what all I can find. I mean, look at this deal right here. We have the Snuggle scent packs, and we also have the scent beads. You're just going to pay $1 after the coupon. You can't beat these deals, guys. Now, we are almost to the end of this video, so I do want to go ahead and give you all a heads up one last time to make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on and set them to all, because this is literally just the beginning. Like I said, I'm a little bit behind, but I promise you all, I will get this information out one way or another. We have food deals, we have freebies, we have more coupon matchups, we have overages, we have all kinds of stuff to talk about. So make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on. I'm going to work my tail off all night long to get these videos ready and out to you all ASAP. So before you all go, one last quick reminder to make sure that y'all check out the description box and the pinned comment of this video. I'm going to have additional notes on the printable coupon situation, all of the links that you need, rebate apps, all that stuff. So check that out. And also, if you missed out on any videos this week, you got to go back and watch those because you don't want to miss out on any awesome deals. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.